Hey, Skin Games. We are just pushing right through. So today is the start of week 7. So right now you can tell my skin is a little pink. And it's also starting to become a little rough. Week 6, we did the time machine spicule. So I am actually getting ready to start flaking here soon. So we're really going to push the repair, protect, and regenerate. That is our focus for this week. We've already gone through, done a cleanse with our Princess Cleanser because we're really trying to support the barrier function right now. We're going to be doing 20 minutes under red and near infrared. So we want to continue to increase that cellular process, increase the collagen and elastin stimulation. We are doing an ethosome treatment. We will be doing this through our elementals nanofusion. So with an ethosome formulation, it includes ethanol. The purpose of the ethanol, we have our bilayer. Let's see if we can do this laying down. So we have our bilayer. Ethanol creates an opening so the encapsulation can actually penetrate in. This enables the penetration of the skin's lipid bilayer and increases the cell permeability. Astaxanthin is then encapsulated by phospholipids. This encapsulation will protect it from oxidative stress as the actives are delivered. This formulation enables delivery to roughly about 0.1 millimeters. Global PDRN, so we'll have the PDRN stem cells, the tocopherol, and the hydrolyzed collagen